Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 298 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Soft Surrender, a space to release resistance and allow life to flow gently through you. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Let your body relax. Let your shoulders drop. And let your thoughts settle like leaves floating down to rest. There's nothing to fight right now. No need to force or control. Now, say to yourself, I surrender softly. I allow peace to find me. And I trust the flow of life. Each breath reminds you, surrender isn't weakness, it's grace, and it's choosing peace instead of struggle. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this softness with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.